I don't sleep with men, and I'm certainly not a pick-me because I could care less about male attention. Did you hear that? Yeah, I could care less. But I know there's a few of you watching, right? That probably suffer from an off pH balance. And you need some odor control for your kitty cat. So I got this product to promote to my followers who need some balance down there and some odor control and lacking with that, right? So click that orange card if you have some problems in your feminine area, because again, I don't sleep with men, so I don't have those problems. But if you do, shop with me.